Hello everyone, and welcome to Jaxa Parrot Pal. What I have here is one of my green wing macaws, Calypso. I'm doing this video because my wife made a comment and said, you know what, babe, you need to get better background. So to be a little bit more professional in my videos and just be more professional in general, she has purchased a good background for all of my videos. So moving forward, whenever you see Jaxa Parrot Pal's video, you will see a nice background. You want to eat my hair? She just want to play right now. So stay tuned, y'all, for the next video of Jaxa Parrot Pal.